e-commerce has risen like a phoenix. How do individual people seize the commercial opportunities of e-commerce? How can we increase our chances to survive the COVID-19 linked disasters? How do we find wealth riding on the back of the soaring phoenix? JTMM Social E-commerce is your best choice. Participating in the JTMM Gold Coin Reward Scheme, you receive gold coins by sharing events, inviting new people to register and completing tasks. You can click on the JTMM front page banner or the button on the right to check out this promotion. On the main promotion page, click the button to see your gold coins account. You need to register and log in to your JTMM account to receive your gold coins. After you log in, you can check your gold coin total, participate in events to get more gold coins, and see your friends' status. You can receive 200 gold coins by sharing promotional links with your friends. You can receive 1,000 gold coins by inviting a new user to sign up to JTMM. You can receive 50% of the value of your first order in gold coins by completing the order. You can receive 200 gold coins by writing a shopping review. You can receive 200 gold coins by completing a survey. You can receive 500 gold coins by linking your other social media account. Order. Every time your friends place their first orders, you will receive one chance to exchange your gold coins for cashback. Now your friends have completed their orders, cashback has already been credited to your account. You can withdraw the cash or spend it yourself on your next order. Roll up your sleeves. The opportunity to create your own wealth is within your reach. Though financial storms rage, your income is secured for a happy and beautiful life.